Hello everyone, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vision Sanjay. So today we have reached 700k channel views milestone, and this video was all about the official specs and also rumored features of the upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy M32. So this smartphone can be priced around 16,000 or 17,000 rupees. So if it comes below this price, then this would be a great smartphone for that price. So this is it for today. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for the next video, and till then, bye bye.